Hello everyone, it's Catherine from my hillside garden. Let's take a peek inside the low tunnel to see what's going on. This is the week after the polar plunge that we had here in northeast Pennsylvania, and there were some things that had sprouted before the extreme weather, and I'm wondering how they've done. I do have a frost cover on everything. I put that on there once I knew that we were going to be getting the extreme cold. And on the thermometer, let's see, as you can see, it got to minus 1.3 Fahrenheit. Let's just click that over so our friends abroad can see what the temperature was in Celsius. So that's what we had. Right now it's 9.3 C, but our low was minus 18.5 and the high was 31.3. So there's our Fahrenheit temperatures. So considering that it had gone to a temperature of minus 7 degrees, and that was without the wind chill, I'd say the one cover did a fantastic job, because this is not always in direct sunlight. So let's see how things fared underneath the cover. Now remember, I said I was having issues with voles, and look at, they've gone to town again. And apparently they brought a flower in with them. So let's see, I did have, oh my goodness, even with the cover on, look at this. This is the issue that I'm gonna have here with the voles. So if anyone has suggestions, oh boy, we got a bit of a hole there, if you could see that. So let's take a look. Looks like a superhighway in here for some little vole. He ate almost all of the seeds and all of the green that was growing. There's a tiny bit of spinach coming through, and let's see if we could see anybody else. Here is some miner's lettuce that I planted. Okay, this is a kale plant that I left. So while it's a bit droopy, it's still growing, still living. And same with this one. I let this one stay. So that one's okay. Do we have any more green in here left? As you can see, there are some sprouts that were apparently, tops were eaten and the rest was pulled out. Here's some lettuce. Okay, let's see, anything else? Oh, what do we got? Oh, I think this was, nope, that's tops from, in all likelihood, they dragged this from somewhere. Now there is a kale that it was a huge plant, and I just took the top of it off and stuck it in the ground. I didn't do anything special to it, and as far as I could tell, it's in there. The soil is pliable, which just amazes me that this could be like this after we've had such cold weather for a whole week. So having that low tunnel or a cold frame can really make the difference for you in your garden. And I'd say there's new growth on here. Let me see if I could get, yep, there we go. So while the voles have not eaten from that, they've eaten all the seedlings that I have in here. So I'm gonna have to think of a plan on how to get rid of those highway makers. So thank you for joining me today and seeing what is or is not growing in the low tunnel. If you like today's video, give me a thumbs up. And I hope if you're in a cold weather area that you can give growing under some kind of cover a try, whether it's the rest of this winter or next winter, because I think you'll be happily surprised. Have a great day. Happy gardening.